Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Stealth Data Zero. So in this video we're going to talk about crypto, obviously, and we're going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and altcoins in general. We have some great news. Cathy Wood is going bullish on Ethereum. She's bullish on Bitcoin. But the main thing is I'm going to show you guys exactly what I think is going on in the crypto market, why I think there's so much fear, and why I think that we don't have anything to really fear, why I think that we're going to be moving up in the future. Obviously, the path is very clear. All the metrics are telling us where we're going. All the adoption, all the usage is telling us where we're going. Crypto is the future, and if you are not in it, I suggest you get into it. At least buy something, get something. But crypto is the future. We have mass adoption happening, and these are the early adoption stages. This is where the people will make the most money in the future. So let's go ahead and talk about these opportunities. Let's go ahead and see why I'm bullish on Bitcoin, and let's go ahead and break down the charts and give you guys some information and insight on what's going on in the crypto market. All right, we are here with the charts, and as you can see, we have the daily chart up, and we are zoomed out a little bit just so you guys can get a little bit of perspective. When in doubt, zoom out. So as you can see, we came from this low of 28,000 all the way up to the high of 69,000. But currently what's going on is we are still in this general trend. So if you look, you see we're bouncing off of this trend line that I drawn really thick here. And we still haven't broken that trend line. We're actually following that trend line, and that's why I expect to bounce very soon. Also, if you look at this structure here, this is a descending channel. This is actually a bullish structure. Even though it's going down, it's a bullish structure that normally breaks to the upside. And if you look at the resistance and support that I put on here, we are consolidating very, very tight in this very channel right here between 56,000 and 58,000. So we're consolidating very, very tight in this channel, and as you know, as consolidation winds up, it goes tighter and tighter and tighter, and it's like a spring, and then it explodes. And all-time highs are right here, marked at this gold line, which is very easily being able to be broken, and we still haven't bounced off of the trend line, which we have been following this whole time for months now. So as you can see, obviously there is a lot of room for upside. If you look on the MACD, we're almost out of this bearish phase, and we're going to be starting into a bullish phase. RSI is very low, so we have a lot of room to run. If we do break to the upside, we have plenty of room to make another move. So that is the Bitcoin general direction. Obviously, you guys can see that the trend is very, very consistent. I don't understand why there's so much fear in the market. It might be this COVID variant. YouTube doesn't like that word, so we'll just say flu. This flu variant, but the market is just consolidating here when we're talking about Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see between these two white lines right here, this is the low line, okay, that I had for the absolute bottom when we had that crash. But now we're consolidating between these two lines right here, very, very tight. And as you know, as consolidation happens, it's like a spring. It winds tighter and tighter and tighter until we move to the upside, and we're still in this downward channel, testing this and moving along the support. Obviously, we're going to have a breakout to the upside very soon. I'm very confident in saying that we're going to have a breakout to the upside very soon. And if you look back on my videos, my track record is very good for calling this stuff very, very accurately. And if you look throughout the market, you do see a lot of red, and we do see a lot of fear. So what you want to do when the market's fearful? Load up. This is the time you guys want to load up. Get your coins now. I know that they are at all-time highs, or they might be high, but get your coins now. Very fearful. As Warren Buffett said, when the market is greedy, be fearful, and when the market is fearful, be greedy. So that is the way you guys got to do it. That's the way you guys got to think. That's the way you guys got to program your mind. Let's go ahead and go to the crypto bubbles here to see what's going on with the overall market. Let's go ahead and get a quick refresh and let's see what's going on for the daily time frame. So as you can see, most of the market is red. We do have ADA with this nice 7.5 move. It was 11% at one point. It came down a little bit, but it was an 11% move. Sol was also green, but it came down a little bit. But as you can see, Stellar Lumens is up a little bit, and the main overall market for our coins is down. Exactly why you need to load up. Remember, load up on red days, just fall back. Watch the green days, either sell off on green days, reduce your risk on green days, buy on red days. That's what you guys need to realize. Let's go ahead and check out the social metrics. And this is why I'm so bullish on this stuff, because we are having mass adoption at mass rates. We also had Cathy Woods just drop some information today about how she is bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I suggest you check out that interview with Cathy Woods to get all the specific information. But it is very, very bullish, and she breaks it down very, very well. And she also has a lot of connections with institutional money and the stock market and all of those things. And if she's saying stuff like that, obviously the smart money is going to follow the quote-unquote smart money. Let's go ahead and look at these social metrics. Now these you can be used to learn price predictions, or see what coins are hot, or see what coins might have price boosts. Normally when the coin is searched a lot on social media, there's a price correlation involved with that. So as you can see right here is the social metrics. I'm just going to show you guys the top couple coins for the social metrics right here. But this is Lunar Crush, and you guys can check out this website for yourself. It is very, very awesome. Let's go ahead and just scroll through Reddit real quick and our cryptocurrency, and check out what's going on with the social media sentiment. But as you just checked with Lunar Crush, we are actually good to go. And just quick plug real quick, and go ahead and follow me at Data05 on Twitter. I drop different stuff on there about crypto, meme stocks, AMC, things of that nature. Alright, so we are having a little bit of technical difficulty with Reddit, but that doesn't matter because we already have our social metrics from our lunar crash. As you can see, if you go ahead and refresh, we can go ahead and check. And we had a little bit of technical difficulty, sorry about that, but we are going ahead and load up coin market cap. And as you can see, that we have Bitcoin at 56,000 at a market cap of 1 trillion or $1 billion. Okay, Ethereum coming in the close second at about half of that. And as you can see, these are the top coins listed in order by market cap. So as you can see, most of the market is basically red, but we do have some green in the market. And when it comes to investing, I suggest investing in the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap by market cap size, and you will have some pretty good success. But you can go into the more riskier coins in the newer coins. As you can see, these move like 900%, 700%, but that's getting a little off topic, and that's for another video. So let's go ahead and actually go ahead and load up Reddit real quick, just to go ahead and scroll through as I wrap up the video. I did lose internet connection, and I do apologize about that, but we're going to go ahead and go to our cryptocurrency and just scroll through and see what some of the people are saying on our cryptocurrency. So as you can see, very interesting here, but as you can see, obviously the social media metrics are bullish. Okay, so I don't really understand why there's so much fear in the network, but as you can see, we have mass adoption. Miami comes the first U.S. city to deploy air quality monitoring network based on Algorand. So we have nation states, we have states in the United States, we have companies putting this stuff on their balance sheet. We have McDonald's, Burger King giving out Bitcoin, giving out Dogecoin, promotional things with Bitcoin. Mass adoption is happening, and you guys want to be one of these early investors. You guys want to get in this now. Okay, the ship has not sailed yet, and you might think the ship has sailed when you go ahead and look at this chart for 2022. If you go ahead and look in the chart or for 2020, you might think that, well, hey, I might be too late. I might be too late. You're not too late, okay? You're not too late, and we are going still further on, and mass adoption has happened, and then once it does, we will see a great increase in price. So let's go ahead and just check out some of these other coins real quick. We got Solana right here. As you can see, a little bit basic TA broken down on that. We have Algorand, another one of my favorite coins. Basic TA broken down on that. This trend line is no longer valid, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm also going to delete this here. That's no longer valid. But as you can see, we have our basic supports and resistance. XRP looks like a giant bull flag. Once we have this court case settled up, XRP is definitely a great valuable asset. Polygon is up right now, okay, and as you can see, basic support and resistance. But as you can see, the overall market is bullish. Really don't see why there's so much fear and greed, but as Warren Buffett said, when the market is fearful, be greedy, and when the market is greedy, be fearful. So load up, go ahead and load up, get your positions, go ahead and accumulate as much coin as you can. I'm going to keep dropping videos on how this stuff is developing, how things are being adopted, how things are changing, dropping news, dropping data, dropping all of that stuff, technical analysis on AMC, GME, stocks, crypto, all that good stuff, plus cybersecurity. So go ahead and subscribe for more content. And I'm just going to scroll through this as I end the video. But as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, so that was the video. So now you guys see why I am so bullish on crypto, so bullish on Bitcoin, so bullish on Ethereum, altcoins, and all of them in general. Now you guys see why I think that crypto is the future. Obviously, all the metrics are telling us that crypto is the future. We now have a mass adoption. We have nation states using this as legal tender. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. It's centralized, very hard to destroy. You literally have to turn off the internet. It's impossible to ban. So do not get feared and FUD and get shaken out of your positions. Hold your Bitcoin. Hold that shit. Part of my language, but hold that, and like it's your life depends on it. And now you guys see why I'm so bullish on crypto and why I know crypto is the future, and hopefully you do too. So as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.